Hello, dear students. Let us try to complete this chapter. Should wizard hit mummy? In today's video, I'll not give you any recap. Okay, we shall start from where we have done earlier. Okay, he posed as a rapt expression widened out from his daughter's nostril, forcing her eyebrows up and her lower lips down a wide, noiseless grin. Okay, and noiseless grin. Okay, an expression in which Jack was startled to recognize his wife feigning pleasure at cocktail party, and all of a sudden he whispered, "The whole inside of the wizard's house was full of smell of roses, roses." Roserfish cried, and the wizard said, very cranky, that will be 7 pennies. Daddy, what? Rosa skunk. You said Roger fish. Yes, skunk. You said Roger fish. Wasn't it silly? Very silly of your old stupid daddy. Your stupid old daddy. Where was I? Well, you know what all about pennies. Say it. Okay. Rosa skunk said, okay, but all I have is 4 pennies. Okay, clear? And he began to cry. Clear? Uh, Joe made the crying face again, but this time without a trace of sincerity. This annoyed Jack. Okay. Downstairs, some more furniture rumbled. Claire should not move heavy things. She was 6 months pregnant. It would be their third. Okay, clear? Then, okay. So the wizard said, "Oh, well, go to the end of the lane and turn around 3 times and look down the magic well, and there you will find the 3 pennies. Hurry up." So Rosa Skunk went to the end of the lane and turned around 3 times, and there in the magic well were 3 pennies. Okay, clear? So he took them back to the wizard and was very happy and ran out in the wood. All other animals gathered around him. Okay, clear? And gathered around him, and he smiled so good, and they played tag, basketball, lacrosse, hockey, soccer, pickup sticks. Okay, clear? He happily ran in the wood. Okay, then what is pickup stick? It's a game you play with sticks, like the wizard's magic wand, like the wizard magic wand, kind of. And they played all the games and laughed all afternoon, and then it began to get dark, and they all ran home to their mummies. Okay, so dear students, you can write the meaning of the word rapt. Okay, here. Okay, rapt means completely fascinated or absorbed by what one is seeing or hearing. Okay, जो आदमी देखता है ना उस चीज़ से मतलब बिल्कुल कंप्लीटली उसमें एब्जॉर्ब हो जाना, उसको हम बोलते हैं रैप्ट, है ना, फैसिनेटेड हो जाना। नोस्ट्रल्स होते हैं ईदर ऑफ टू एक्सटर्नल ओपनिंग्स ऑफ द नोज, नोज के दो नथुने होते हैं ना, उसको नोस्ट्रल्स बोलते हैं। ग्रिन स्माइल ब्रॉडली बाय शोइंग योर वंस टीथ, उसको ग्रीन बोलते हैं। ओके, क्रैंक क्या होता है? बैड टेम्पर्ड, इरिटेबल और एक्सटेंस्ट्रिक। ओके, और होता है आपका रंबल्ड। रंबल्ड मीन्स मेक अ कंटिन्यूस डीप साउंड। ओके, सो लेट्स हैव इट्स इंग्लिश एक्सप्लेनेशन फर्स्ट। ओके, then he relates the face that his daughter made to that of his wife. Okay, clear? She made such a face, his wife made such a face when she pretended to be enjoying in cocktail party. Okay, then he continues that the whole house of the wizard was filled with fragrance of roses, है ना, गुलाब की खुशबू से पूरा घर भर गया। किसका? विजार्ड का, जब उसने उसकी फ्रेग्रेंस को चेंज, उसकी स्मेल को फ्रेग्रेंस में चेंज किया था। By mistake, he changed the animal to fish. Okay, Joe corrected him, and he said that it was really silly on his part to call him a fish in place of a skunk. Okay, in place of skunk. Okay, just then Jack got a bit annoyed with Joe's expression, and suddenly he heard some furniture rambling downstairs. कुछ सरकने की उसकी आवाज़ आती है, and he realized that Claire should not be moving heavy things as she was 6 months pregnant. Okay, then they were going to have the third baby. Okay, then the wizard, अब वापस कहानी में आता है, the wizard tells Roger to go to the end of the lane and turn around 3 times. Okay, and when he would look in the magic well, okay, he would find 3 more pennies. Okay, so the wizard told him in the same breath where Roger's skunk could find 3 more penny. Okay, then Roger did exactly how he was told and got the extra pennies. उसको extra penny मिल गए, and then he gave the pennies to the wizard and ran back to the woods. और वो forest में वापस आ जाता है, where everybody gathered around him, all other creatures gathered around him because he smelled so good. Okay, clear? And then they played a lot of games and enjoyed themselves. As it was getting dark, okay, all the animals ran back to their mummies. सब अपनी मम्मीज के पास चले गए. ओके बेटा, और कौन कौन से गेम खेले उन्होंने? दे प्लेड टैग, बास्केटबॉल, ओके, लैक्रूज, हॉकी, सॉकर, पिकअप स्टिक्स. ओके, clear? Then even Joe had also asked what is pickup sticks. Okay, he said it's a game you play with sticks like a wizard's magic wand. Well, yes, it is just like a kind of. Okay, clear? And after playing lots of game, they all went to their home back. ठीक है, वापस चले गए. चलिए, let's begin the next para. Okay, Joe was starting to fuss with her hands and look out of the window at the crack of the day that showed under the shade. So even she thought the story was all over. Jack did not like women when they took anything for granted. He liked them apprehensive, okay, hanging on his words. Okay, now Joe, are you listening? Yes, because this is very interesting. Rosa Skunk's mommy said. What is that awful smell? Rosa Skunk's mummy said. What? And Rosa Skunk said, it's me, mummy. I smell like roses. Okay. And she said, who made you smell like that? And he said, the wizard. And she said, well, of all the nerve. Okay. You come with me and we are going right back to that awful wizard. Joe sat up, okay, her hands dabbling in the air with genuine fright. But daddy, but mummy, but daddy, then he said about other little animals run away. Okay, her hands skittered off into the underbrush. All right, all right, he said, but mummy, all the other little animal run away, and she said, I don't care. Okay, you smelled. Okay, clear? uh, you smell the way a little skunk should have, and I am going to take you right back to that wizard. And she took an umbrella and went back with Roger Skunk and hit the wizard right over the head. No, no, Joe said, and put her hand out to touch his lips, yet in her agitation did not quite dare to stop the source of truth. Inspiration came to her. Okay, then the wizard hit her on the head and did not change that little skunk back. Okay, no, Joe, no, Joe said no, and put out her. Okay, clear? No, he said. The wizard said, okay, clear. And Rosa skunk did not smell of roses anymore. He smelled very bad. But the other little animal, oh, Johnny, it's daddy's story. Shall daddy not tell you any more stories? Her broad face looked at him though through shifted light astounded. Okay, clear? Okay, students, let's have the meaning. Beta, first, the word first means you can write the meaning. The word first means to show excessive excitement. Okay, apprehensive means uh, fearful that something bad or unpleasant will happen. Okay, awful means very bad or unpleasant. Fright means a sudden intense feeling of fear. Okay, another word is skittered. Okay, skittered means move lightly or quickly. Underbrush means shrubs and small trees. Agitation, anxiety and nervous excitement. Okay, and astounded means shock or greatly surprised. Okay, let's have its English explanation, and then after even I'll tell you Hindi version also. Okay, Joe had started getting bored with the story and was more interested in looking out of the window. Okay, she thought the story was all over. Okay, as she was habitual on getting such an ending. Okay, क्योंकि यही होता था कि हर बार स्टोरी का एक हैप्पी एंडिंग होती थी कि रोज़र की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाए, उसके बाद सब स्टोरी ख़त्म. And on the other hand, Jack did not like women who would take things for granted. Okay, he liked women who remained engrossed in his talks. Okay, then he again continued the story, asking Joe to be a little attentive. Okay, to what he said. The mummy skunk asked uh, uh, from where was that awful smell coming. Okay, okay, then Roger replied that it was him who smelled like roses. Mummy skunk asked Roger that who had made him smell like that. Okay, to which Roger skunk replied that the wizard had done so. Then the mummy decided to take him right back to that awful wizard. Okay, उसको वापस उन्होंने कहा कि किसने तेरी फ्रेगरेंस को चेंज किया है, स्मेल को फ्रेगरेंस में चेंज किया है. तो ही टोल्ड कि विजार्ड ने किया है. तो उसने क्या किया, शी डिसाइडेड टू टेक हिम राइट बैक टू दैट ऑफल विजार्ड, और वो उसको वहाँ पर लेके जाएगी, उसने ऐसा कहा. क्लियर? हिज मॉम took out an her umbrella and they went back to the wizard house, where the wizard opened the door and the mummy skunk hit him on his head. उसने दरवाज़ा खोला विजार्ड ने, और वो दरवाज़ा खोलते ही skunk की मम्मी ने उसके सर पे अम्ब्रेला मारी. ओके, देन जो स्टार्टेड imagining her own story about how the wizard would have hit the mummy skunk back and never change Roger skunk back. Then जो है ना, जो जो अपने पापा के मुंह के ऊपर उंगली रखती है और कहती है पापा नहीं, आप ये सुनाओ मुझे कि जो विजार्ड है ना, उसने रोजर्स विजार्ड ने रोजर स्कंक की जो मदर है उसके ऊपर मैजिक बैंड मारी, और उसने उसकी स्मेल को चेंज नहीं किया. क्लियर? देन देन her father told her that nothing of that sort happened. Okay, the wizard changed Roger skunk back to the normal, and he did not smell of roses anymore. Another question was about to pop up in the little Joe's mind. उसके दिमाग में एक और क्वेश्चन आया, but Jack stopped her, told her that it was his story. क्वेश्चन क्या था? क्वेश्चन ये था कि what will be of the other animal, दूसरे एनिमल्स का क्या होगा? They would not play with him. तो उसने कहा कि इट इज़ नॉट व्हाट हैपेंड, ऐसा नहीं होगा. ओके, ऐसा उसने कहा उसको. एंड देन ओके, क्लियर बेटा? It was his story, and he told his daughter that it was his story, and if she wanted him to tell her any more story, then she should keep quiet. उसने कहा कि अगर तू चाहती है कि तुझे और कहानी सुनाऊंगा आगे, तो चुप हो जाओ. चुप हो जाती है. जो kept on looking her father with great surprise as she waited for the story to be continued. अब वो चाहती है कहानी जैसे तैसे वो पूरी करें, जो भी है. ओके, तो ये यहाँ तक हमने बेटा पढ़ लिया है. Okay, let's see the next lines. Okay, This is what happened then. Roger skunk and his mother and his mummy went home and they heard woo woo and it was the choo choo train bringing daddy skunk home from Boston. Okay, and they had lima beans, celery leaves, mashed potatoes, and pie oh my dessert. Okay, and when Rosa skunk was in bed, mummy skunk came up and hugged him and said he smelled like her baby skunk again and she loved him very much. Okay, and that is the end of the story. Okay, but daddy, what? Then did the other animal run away? No, because eventually they got used to the way he was and they did not mind it at all. Okay, beta. So here some words, some difficult words and things are here. Lima beans क्या होते हैं बेटा? Lima beans an edible flat wheatish bean होते हैं. ओके, खाने के लिए. सेलरी क्या होती है? कल्टिवेटेड प्लांट of the parsley family. Okay, and eventually means in the end or finally. Okay, let's have its English explanation. After some time, when Roger skunk and his mother were going back home, they heard a woo woo sound. Okay, as his father arrived from Boston by the train. Okay, they all of them had lima beans, celery, liver, mashed potatoes, and pie. Oh my, for dessert. Okay, dessert भी उन्होंने खाया. And later that night, when Roger skunk was sleeping, mother skunk came back. She hugged him and told him that he smelled again like her baby skunk, and then she loved him a lot. With this, Jack ended the story, to which Joe again asked mm, if the other animal run away from Roger skunk again. Jack replied, no, because they slowly got astounded. They got accustomed. They got suddenly got habitual to the smell. Okay, so they did not feel like running away anymore. Okay, ऐसा होता है बेटा. आपके अंदर आप जो नेचुरली जो आप हैं वैसे ही आपको अपने आप को स्वीकार करना होगा और द इंटायर वर्ल्ड will also accept you as the way you are. Okay, if you desire to change, you can change. ये बातें यहाँ पे आई बेटा. ओके, सो what is eventually in a little while? That was a stupid mummy. Okay, it was not, he said, with a rare emphasis, and believed from her expression that she realized he was defending her own mother to her and something as odd. Now, I want you to put your big heavy head in the pillow and have a good nap, good long nap. Okay, he adjusted the shade uh, so not even a crack of the day showed, and tiptoed to the door and in the pretense that she was already asleep. Okay, but when he turned, she was crunching on the top of the covers and staring at him. Hey, get under your covers and fall asleep. Bobby is asleep. She stood up and bounced gingerly on the spring. Daddy, what? Tomorrow I want you to tell me the story. Okay, that wizard took that magic wand and hit that mummy. Okay, her plump arms were chopped forcefully right over the head. Okay, no, that is not the story. The point is, beta, please underline this line. Okay, the point is uh, that the little skunk loved his mother mummy more than he loved all the other little animal, and she knew what was right. Okay, no, tomorrow you say he hit that mummy. Okay, clear? So students, here rare means not occupying very often, जो कभी कभी हो. Okay, और आपका एम्फेसिस होता है स्पेशल वैल्यू, ओके, गिवन टू समथिंग। टिपटोड मीन्स वॉक क्वाइटली। प्रिटेंस मीन्स एन अटेम्प्ट टू मेक समथिंग दैट इज फॉल्स और टू अपीयर, ओके। जिंजरली मीन्स इन ए केयरफुल और कॉशियस मैनर, ओके। तो उसने क्या किया, when Jack said that eventually, that finally everybody started liking Rosa's skunk, they started playing with him, okay. Joe did not understand the word eventually, okay. And as she heard it for the first time, she asked what is eventually, okay. To which Jack told her the meaning, okay, clear। उसने उसका मतलब बता दिया भाई, इवेंचुअली का मतलब होता है इन लिटिल वाइल, ओके, थोड़ी देर में। बट जो थॉट दैट वट मम्मी स्कंक डिड नॉट, वट मम्मी स्कंक डिड वॉज नॉट राइट। जो ने कहा कि जो भी मम्मी स्कंक ने किया ना वो गलत किया है, ओके। एंड सेड दैट okay, and but Jack took it personally and said no because somewhere he was relating it to himself and defending his own mother। लेकिन जैक है ना, जैक ने उसको कहा कि नहीं, उसने जो किया वो सही किया क्योंकि ही वॉज डिफेंडिंग हिज ओन मदर, अपनी खुद की वो बात बता रहा था बेटा, और अपने आप को उसमें उसने इंक्लूड किया है, ओके, ठीक है, क्लियर, हेलो, ओके। एंड देन then Jack told that Joe told sorry then Jack told Joe that he wanted her to take a long day nap and adjusted the shade so that no light come in, ताकि कोई लाइट ना आए, इसलिए उसने ना पर्दों को अच्छे से एडजस्ट कर दिया। He then went very softly to the door and acted as if Joe had slept. Okay, but when he turned and looked, she was staring at him. उसकी तरफ देख रही थी, घूर रही थी, सोने का नाटक कर रही थी, लेकिन जैसे ही उसने मुड़ के देखा वो उसकी तरफ घूर रही थी। एंड सिटिंग ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द कवर्स, कवर्स के ऊपर बैठी थी। Then he told her to go to see, as she was also disturbing her brother who was sleeping, okay। Then she stood up and started bouncing softly on the springs, springs पे उछलने लगी, okay। While jumping on the springs of the bed, she asked her father to tell her a story the next day with a different ending, that the wizard took his magic stick, okay, and hit the mummy and chopped her plump arm, मोटी मोटी उसकी आर्म्स को काट देता है और उसके सर पे जादुई छड़ी मारता है, ओके। देन जैक एक्सप्लेन्ड टू हर दैट, वो उसको बताता है कि दिस वॉज नॉट वट द स्टोरी सेड, ऐसा नहीं है जो स्टोरी कहती है, ओके। ही टोल्ड हर दैट द स्टोरी गेव अस अ मैसेज दैट द skunk loved his mother more than any of the other little animal in the woods do, and that his mother knew what was right, his mother knew what was right, माँ जानती थी उसके लिए क्या अच्छा है। और दूसरी बात ये है, पॉइंट ये भी है कि रोजा स्कंक अपनी मदर से ज़्यादा प्यार करता था rather than other animals, okay। Then as he was explaining Joe about the story, she started insisting the next day he would have to tell her a story like the one she wanted, बोलो जैसे वो चाहती है ना उस एंडिंग के साथ वो उसको कहानी सुनाए, ऐसे वो उस पर इंसिस्ट करती है। Do it, she kicked her legs up and sat down on the bed with a great heave and complaint of her springs, okay, as she has done hundreds of times before। ऐसा पहले भी कर चुकी है कि लात मारना है ना, और उछलना बेड के ऊपर, कंप्लेन करना, ऐसे हंड्रेड्स टाइम कर चुकी है। बट दिस टाइम शी डिड नॉट लाफ, लेकिन इस बार वो हंसी नहीं। से डैडी वेल विल सी एंड हर डैडी promised her that he would do if possible, okay। Now at least have a rest, and then he asked her to have a rest, okay। बोले अब तो आराम कर लो, okay। Stay on bed, you are a good girl, तुम एक अच्छी लड़की हो, चलो सो जाओ। He closed the door and went downstairs, okay। नीचे नीचे चला गया। Claire had spread the newspaper and opened the paint can, and wearing an old shirt of his on the top of maternity smoke, okay, killer was stroking the chair rail with a dipped brush, okay. When he came downstairs, he found his wife Claire. She had opened a paint can, and she was painting the woodwork in the living room, okay, clear. And she had also put on his shirt, उसने उसकी शर्ट पहन रखी थी to cover her maternity smoke, अपना जो maternity smoke है ना, जो पेट है उसको छुपाने के लिए, okay. And above him footstep vibrated, and he called Johnny. Shall I come there and spank you? Okay, okay. And the footstep agitated. Okay, that was a long story, Claire said. The poor kid, he answered, and with utter weariness watched his wife labor. Okay, the woodwork, the case of molding and rails and baseboards, all around them was half old tan and half new ivory, and he felt caught in an ugly middle position. Please underline this phrase, ugly middle position. Okay, as though he as well felt his wife's presence in the cage with him. He did not want to speak with her, work with her, touch her, anything. Okay, clear, beta? So the sound of footsteps started vanishing when he shouted that Johnny. He shouted at Johnny, and even he gave her a warning that he would come and beat her. Then Johnny slept, वो सो गई, ठीक है. The sound of footsteps started vanishing. Okay, then Jack's wife told him that it was a long story. Okay, that he was telling Joe, and that he replied, the poor kid. And as he was feeling very tired, और थका हुआ महसूस कर रहा था अपने आप को, he just sat and watched his wife do all the work. Okay, उसको काम करते हुए देखने लगा. Then he started looking at the woodwork around him, started relating to his life. Okay, सब चीज़ों से उसको रिलेट करने लगा कि कितनी मेहनत वो कर रही है उसकी वाइफ इन सब को करने के लिए. क्लियर. एंड Jack and Claire were caught in a cage like situation in their marriage, as Jack had no time to help his pregnant wife. Okay, उसकी मदद करने के लिए उसके पास टाइम भी नहीं था. Even he had no other choice, and even he was not ready to help her. Okay, clear. There was no solution to it. Okay, neither did he want to talk to her, nor speak or touch. Okay, beta. So this is the end of this chapter. Okay, thanks for watching this video. I'll send you the question and answer related to this chapter. Okay, thank you, beta.